Okay. Okay. Okay, so I will just, Sunita ma'am, can I start with the intro?
Yes, I think so. Otherwise, we'll.
Yeah, we are just running. Okay,
Yes,
guys, so I'm starting with the introduction. In case you have any other issues, you can type them in the comment box. And I will also help Sunita ma'am see them. Don't worry. For now, just all the material you can gather from from the list. Just do that, and we will just begin.
I need to, highlight my video. This is
Yes,
the start.
yeah, I have spotlighted I will just, when I stop
Yeah.
screen sharing, your video will be spotlighted. Okay. So, welcome everyone to Podium Supra. Podium is a super achiever led educational platform for co curricular content taught by the world's best teachers. Also, we are extremely happy to announce that Podium is launching their first batch of courses in second week of November. And the courses are contemporary dance, speech and drama, calligraphy, creative writing, chess, kathak, and drawing and painting. These programs will be taught by the world's best teachers, and we look forward to seeing you participate in these programs. Also, please visit our site, podium.school, for availing special discounts, and for more information, you can also contact on the number that is displayed on your screen for any enquiries related to the courses. So guys, the instructions for today's session is, in today's session, we will begin with our faculty's teaching. While the teacher is teaching you, you all will be on mute. If during that time you have any questions or queries, you can type them out in the comment box. At the end of our session, we will be unmuting everyone for the interactive section, and you can ask whatever you feel like at that time. So guys, today we have with us Mrs. Sunita Gupta. Mrs. Sunita specializes in customized cakes and desserts and runs a successful brand called Choco Feast. She has been featured in the 2016 Times Food Guide on Rashmi Uday Singh's recommendation. She has been baking since childhood and loves to experiment and make new recipes every day. On behalf of Team Podium, I thank Sunita ma'am for joining us today. Welcome, ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you, Simran. Could we just highlight because?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. How come I am not? Yeah. So we are ready to start. First, what we'll do is we'll bake the muffins. We'll be making chocolate chip muffins today. If someone doesn't have chocolate chips, you can use nuts. You can use, any kind of tutti frutti. You can use broken up chocolate like 5 stars or something like that. You can use polo sweets. So anything would work. The first thing that we need when we are making muffins is the flour, the all-purpose flour, maida. I have 1 cup here, maida. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of soda. And we'll just sift all this together. So while we are doing this, there is one important thing that we need to do. We need to start our oven. We need to preheat the oven. The oven temperature needs to be 180 degrees. Baking is done in the middle of the oven, and we need to preheat it for 7 to 10 minutes. So we have a flour, baking powder and soda which we sifted here. Now what we'll do is we'll take the chocolate chips. I've got half a cup of chocolate chips here. I'm just going to mix them in. And to this, we will add a butter. I have 50 grams of melted butter here. I have a small tin of condensed milk. This is Amul Mithai Milk, the small size. This 200 grams of condensed milk. Otherwise, it could be 1 cup of condensed milk if you have a bigger tin. To this, we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And hot water. I'll just give me a second. I'll get hot water. So I have some hot water here. I'm going to add half a cup of this hot water in my batter. Once we've added all the liquid, we just need to mix it gently. This is called folding and cutting. So we take everything from down gently and we mix it. We have a muffin tray here. If you don't have this tray, you can use for just this session. If you want to bake, you can just use normal steel katoris from your house, butter them nicely, and you can use them. If you don't have the tray and the liners, here I'm putting paper liners. Paper liners, and I'm going to fill these up with my batter that I have mixed. See, when I'm filling the batter, I'm not filling it right to the top. If you can see it, I'm filling it about 3/4 full. With this batter, I'm going to make 10 to 12 muffins. I have got batter enough for 11. Now my oven is also preheated. I'll just turn this so everybody can see the oven. Yeah, the oven is preheated. It's nicely hot, and I'm just putting this tray in the oven. I'll bake in the middle of the oven, and this will take about 15 to 20 minutes to bake. Now, Simran, should we start with the next recipe while that is baking?
Sunita, will it be okay? Like some kids have some questions.
Okay, let them ask first. Otherwise, should we take in if they're baking right now, I'll answer the queries right away.
Yeah, they are actually confused in some steps.
Okay.
So guys, if you are stuck on any step, you can just raise your hand. We will just take 2-3 questions quickly, and then we can just move on to the next recipe. Yes, Disha, go ahead.
कर दिया बोलो. Hello,
Yeah, hi Disha. Yeah, hi Disha. Tell me.
ma'am. We don't have a muffin mold, and my mother told not to use that katoris. Then what we can use? Can we use silicone molds?
You have silicone molds, and they're fine. You can use those.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Shreya, go ahead.
Next question, I think Simran choose.
Yes, Adya, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, like, is it important to use the condensed milk, or we can use the normal milk also and all?
See, this recipe is with condensed milk, but if you really want to make and you don't have it, then use half cup normal milk and mix half a cup of powdered sugar in it and use that. Okay.
Okay, one last question we will take from. Yes, Sanvi, go ahead.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have 2 questions.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can we bake the cake in the microwave?
If you have a convection microwave, you can bake it.
Okay, ma'am.
It will get done in little. You have to bake in your convection microwave. You put it on convection, put it on bake, and then it will get done in about 12 minutes instead of 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and your temperature has to be 180 or medium. 180 degrees, that is the preheating temperature. Otherwise, you can use medium. So I don't know, every oven is different in their settings.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to switch it on for some time?
Yeah, you have to put it on preheat. There will be a preheat button on it. You preheat. Once it's preheated, then you put your muffins to bake.
And ma'am, I can also use wheat instead of maida for the cookies, right?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Simran, we'll move on to the next recipe now.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Yeah. So the next recipe that we are making are cornflake cookies. I'll just get it.
So guys, if you have stuck on any step for the muffins, just stop right now. You can go back to the video right now. Just concentrate on the cookie recipe, okay?
So we have all the ingredients for the cookies here. We'll start first with the butter. I have 100 grams of butter here, which is soft, which was taken out from the fridge. Butter is like soft. And I'm just going to, whisk it. You can use a fork, you can use a spoon and beat it up properly. If you have an electric beater, you can use that also. We need to make this butter soft first. When the butter is nicely soft, we will add a sugar to it. There was 3/4 cup. I'm using powdered sugar. You can use any sugar. If you have brown sugar, you can use that also. It's 3/4 of a cup of sugar. We'll mix the butter and the sugar properly. when the butter and the sugar is mixed, we have to mix it well first. Now we have 1/4 cup of milk. We'll add the vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. And now we have 1/4 cup of milk here. We'll put about half of this milk, not the full thing right now. So I put half of the milk. I'm going to mix it here. Mix it well, make a nice liquid. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a sieve, and in this sieve, I will add my flour, 1/4 cup of flour, and the baking powder, half a teaspoon. And I'll first sift it. And here I have 3/4 cup of cornflakes, 3/4 cup. So most of this cornflakes I'm taking, I'll just mix it in the flour. I'm just crushing it a little bit with my hands. Some I've left in the bowl. So we have a cornflakes and flour here. We'll just mix it in this butter mixture. Butter and sugar mixture. Use a spoon or a spatula to mix this. Okay. We have a cookie dough almost ready. I'm not adding the rest of the milk. Only if it was too dry, I would have added. This much milk was enough for this. Now we need to set them up on a baking tray. So I have this baking tray which I'm going to use.
Sunita ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually some kids were just baking their muffins. That's why they joined in late. Can you just briefly tell the steps to them so that they can just go up with it?
Okay. So first we take soft butter. We take a whisk or a fork or a spoon and we make it soft, properly soft. Then we add the powdered sugar to it and mix it well again. To that, we need to add, we had totally 1/4 cup of milk. So we need to add only part of the milk, only about half of the milk we'll add. Mix it again in the butter, sugar, milk, that is about 2 tablespoons of milk. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence, mix it well, and to that we'll first sift the flour, baking powder. We had 1 1/4 cup of flour. We had half a teaspoon of baking powder. So that we need to sift together. To that we added, like we had totally 3/4 cup of cornflakes. So most of the cornflakes we added, only a little we kept aside. And that sifted flour and corn flour, we mix in the butter, milk, sugar mixture. So this is the batter that we got. We have the cookie dough ready here. Now what we are doing is, so it's step by step. First butter, use a whisk or a beater to beat it, then add sugar to it, then add your vanilla essence and milk to it, and then you add your flour, baking powder, and your cornflakes to it. I have taken a baking tray now, and I'm just putting a little amount of butter on it, just lightly, not too much. We don't need too much. And we can just shape our cookies. So here we have our cookies. Whatever size you want to bake, don't make them very big because they're going to rise. So they're going to become bigger. So I'm taking this size, and what I'm doing, the cornflakes that I've kept, I'm just dipping it in so that we have a little of the cornflakes stuck on the top. I'll just break them a little. See, while we are baking, the 15 minutes making this, the 15 minutes of the muffins are done. I'll just show the oven. See, when we are placing them on the tray, I'm keeping a little space in between because these are going to become bigger and they're going to rise. And we have to try to keep all the size equal so that they bake in the same amount of time. I'll just show the oven, how it's looking, the muffins that are baking. If they can be seen, can everybody see the muffins? They're rising. I'll just test them. Still not done. I'll show how to test when they're done. So we'll make up cornflake cookies. Now, instead of cornflakes, these same cookies you can even make with choco chips. You can make with any nuts. Same quantity, same method. You can use almonds, walnuts. Otherwise, you can use chocolate chips. You can use tutti frutti. See how I'm doing this? I'm taking it in my hand, rolling it up, flattening it, and then I'm dipping it in the crushed cornflakes that I have in my bowl. So while we are doing this, our muffins are still baking. We just check them up again. Let's just show them. So I'll just show the muffins are done. I'll just turning it over. We have these muffins in the oven. I'll just pull the tray out. I'm going to poke them with a knife. You can use a knife, you can use a toothpick, and it comes out clean. So these are done. We'll just remove them from the oven and let them cool down on the tray. We are still leaving the oven on because we still need to bake the cookies. So the oven will be heating. Our tray of cookies is ready. So we'll just put them in the oven to bake. These will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Till then, we can take questions. I'll just.
Sure, ma'am. Okay.
So now, if anybody has questions, they can ask them. And
Yes, Aishwarya, you can ask your question. Joshine, do you have a question? Because I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am, can we use a halogen instead of a microwave?
what?
Can we use for baking? Can we use a halogen instead of microwave?
I haven't understood what is a halogen.
So it's an electric appliance that runs with the halogen light.
Okay, so something like
Yeah, it's the
air
temperature
fryer?
gets set it. So, ma'am,
You
okay.
have a temperature
otherwise-
setting in that?
Yeah, we do have it. We do have it.
Do you? So if you have a temperature up to 180 degrees centigrade, then you can use it.
Okay, ma'am. Otherwise,
180 centigrade or 350 Fahrenheit.
okay, microwave can also be used.
Otherwise,
Microwave can also be used.
you have a convection microwave.
Ma'am, what is the difference between the convention?
Convection allows you to bake also, and a normal just a microwave is just for heating. Though we do make very basic, the mug cakes and 1-minute cakes in a normal heating microwave, but these cupcakes I've never tried.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. There is one more query, ma'am. That can we use a jaggery instead of a sugar?
Yes, you can. In the
Okay,
cookies,
thank
they'll
you.
taste very nice, but use powdered jaggery.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Mukta,
And ma'am, last query, ma'am. That can we use oats instead of cornflakes?
Yes, you can.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
okay, Mukta, you can ask your question. Okay, yes. Anaika, you can ask your question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, can you teach a little slower because we are can you because we have to do a little more fast, a little some mistakes are happening. So can you go a little slower? Next time.
Okay, what do you want to ask? You tell me. I'll tell you how to do the cookies. I'll guide you. Your cakes are still happening?
Ma'am, actually, the problem with her was that you were going a little too fast. So there were like many mistakes, not mistakes, like here and there stuff which was happening. So that was the only question. If you could teach a little slower next time.
Okay, sure.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Divyanshi, you can ask your question.
I wanted to ask that I
Recipe
really don't have-
quantities have been sent. I can just go over the process once more.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, I'm
Tell
Divyanshi
me.
and I don't have a muffin tray and I don't have the muffin cup. So I don't have the other, like, what can I use instead of it to bake it?
It's from your house.
What, ma'am?
Yeah, you can bake in butter the katoris well, and then you can use them.
Ma'am, but in the steel,
But
we can't put
normally-
it in our microwave because it has said that we should.
Oh
not-
yeah, microwave you cannot put it. Microwave ke liye you will need the silicone cups or something like that. You cannot. Otherwise, you put the entire batter in a glass bowl that you use in the microwave anyway. Any of the microwave safe bowl, and make it like a cake.
Ma'am, I have a big cake thing. So should I?
Yeah,
make
you
it-
can use that. You can use that.
Okay, ma'am. And I wanted to ask that I have made the dough, but it looks like an atta. So is that fine? That's what the cookie dough should be.
The cookie dough should be like atta. Yeah.
Yes. And ma'am, how do I put it in? How do I put the muffin batter in the cake? So it's liquid. So if I'll put it like that, so the cake it'll become a cake.
It will become a cake. It won't become a muffin.
Okay, ma'am. So the
It will
muffin
become-
is just in a cup.
But you have to put nicely butter on your cake tin and then dust it with a little flour and then put the thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Batter.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, Devanshi, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, how can we check if our muffins are done? As ma'am,
You poke it while it's still in the oven. Just take it out a little bit. Poke it with a knife or a fork or a toothpick. If it's clean, then they're done.
ma'am, actually, ma'am, it's like 15 minutes and still they're not done. I'm not sure.
It's okay. Let them be. They take up to 20 minutes. Just poke it with something and check.
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to show these are the muffins actually.
Sure. They become flat. What you've taken them out too fast. That's right. Then if they are raw from inside, they just come down again. But try to put them in the oven again for 10 minutes. See what happens.
What should I do if like they're flat?
They're flat, so they may not rise again and you may not get proper muffins, but they still taste good. So bake them a little more and then you can eat them. They're still raw right now.
Okay.
Otherwise, you put too much baking powder, that also makes it flat. But I think they're raw.
Okay. Anayaka, you can ask your question. Anayaka, are you there? Okay, Sohan, you can ask your question.
Hello. Ma'am, at
Hello.
what temperature we can
Yes,
bake the
ma'am. Can you
cookies?
hear me?
180. 180 degrees centigrade or 350 Fahrenheit. Indian ovens all will be on centigrade, so it will be 180.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Disha, you can ask your question.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, for making cookies, we have to just put a layer of butter, or we can just directly put the batter on the plate or the
Put
tray.
put very lightly some butter, not too much.
Ma'am,
Very little butter. Just rub it on the tray.
ma'am, and for making the muffins, we have to grease the mold, or we can just directly put it.
If
I'm
you're using the paper liners like this, you don't need to grease it.
Ma'am,
If you're not using these, then you can just lightly grease your muffin tin.
Ma'am, I am using silicone one.
Then you don't need to do anything. You can just put them in directly in the silicone. You don't need to butter that.
Ma'am, I have made one. It has just totally burned.
So you must have overbaked it. Did you bake it in the microwave?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
Ma'am, for 2 minutes.
How can it burn in 2 minutes?
Ma'am, I don't know. It was totally hard and I didn't like it.
Okay, you must be having the normal heating microwave, not the baking convection.
Ma'am, it is convection one.
So in a convection, did you put the settings to bake? Did you adjust the temperature to 180?
The first one was burned, but the second and third one was good.
Okay, so then your oven must have been naughty for the first one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Ansh, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, can you please tell me this is hard enough or we have to make it harder?
The cookie dough?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
fine. This is fine. This is fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now you take some cornflakes when you roll the cookies. Take some cornflakes and press them into it.
Okay. Vanshika, you can ask your question.
Yes, ma'am. Is it okay if we don't use hot water for the muffins?
It's normally used to activate the soda because we are not using any eggs. So when you add hot water to the baking powder and soda, it helps to rise. But if you've not used hot water, it's still fine. Your muffins will get made.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Kavya, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, can you show your muffins one time? I want to see how they look.
Yeah, just a minute. I'll show you the tray. These are the baked muffins. Wait, I'll just set. Okay, this is how they look. They're still cooling, they're still warm, but you can just peel the paper off and you have the muffins inside. Okay? They're still warm, they need to cool down properly. See, we just fill the cups till 3/4 and we have sausages and muffins.
Excuse me, ma'am. In my, I am doing the thing in the cake. I mean, in the cake bowl, and that the dough is very less as per as the cake bowl size. So,
Oh,
what will happen? Like
you will, you will get it. It will get baked very fast. Just spread it. Oh God, ये तो बहुत पतला हो गया. Okay, so bake it for now, but bake it for just 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, you'll get a thin cake like the slice cake.
Yes.
Spread it out, and bake it.
Can I do it? Like, can I take everything in one side in one corner and then?
No, it won't happen because when it bakes, it's going to spread. Okay, so you'll get a thin cake. So just bake it for about 7 minutes. I think it should be done.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Like you have the slice cake. It will become that thin.
And ma'am, in my cookie dough,
Okay. Yes, Samira, you can ask your question.
Excuse me, ma'am. I wanted to tell that I made the cookies in the
Simran,
muffins.
her voice is not clear. Some bandwidth problem. What?
Ma'am, I was saying that I am Samira and I made the muffins in Ape pan and they came out really well.
Wow. Show us how it's come out. Let everybody see.
Yes, ma'am, I'll show you. Just a second.
Wow, so nice they're looking. Do they taste good also?
Yes, ma'am, they taste so good.
Great. But some look overdone, so next time bake for little less time.
Okay. Jasheen, you can ask your question.
Yes, ma'am. I need to know that, ma'am, how we can check that our cookies is baked or not.
Cookies will take about 15 to 20 minutes. When mine get done, I will show everyone. Okay.
How we will check the cookies are?
I'll show how to check. Once we are checking mine, I will show. Okay. See, I'll show you right now. Wait. See, here's the oven. The cookie tray is inside. So what we do is we pull out the tray a little bit and then try to move the cookies with the knife.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so if they're not getting stuck, they are done. But mine are getting still stuck a little bit. So I'm going to bake them for a...
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Shweta, you can ask your question.
Is my batter looking good?
So, cookie dough. Yeah, it's looking nice, but you could have made nice balls and then put them. No, otherwise they will not come out in good shape. Press them with your hands and then do it. Take them in your hand. Yeah, do it that way and then put them. Okay, and if they're getting stuck to your hands, wash your hands once, they won't get stuck anymore. Okay.
Okay. Srinjita, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, I have no conversation mode in the microwave.
You have no convection mode in your microwave? Okay.
No. Yes, I have.
You have? Okay.
No, I not have.
You not have? Okay.
So I gas oven or pressure cooker?
You can use gas oven if you have. It will take about 20 minutes to bake in the gas oven.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Sonal, you can ask your question.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we tried to make cookies on cafeteria mode on microwave. Not cookies, muffins. And ma'am, see, ma'am, they came out really well.
They came out really well. Very nice they're looking, in fact. Good, enjoy them.
Yes.
And note down the recipe so you can keep making.
Ma'am, my mother is noting only.
Wow, good.
Also, guys, if your muffins and cookies are done, kindly post the picture of you with your muffins and cookies on our Facebook group and Facebook page. And you can post them on Instagram also and tag Podium School. It would be great for us to see all of your creations. And Rashmi, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, can we pour some Hershey's on the cookies?
Yes, you can. You can pour them on the muffins also.
Okay, Angad, you can ask your question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, my muffin was not a muffin. It changed into a cake because I did not have the mold.
It became.
And now it's a very good
Okay.
cake. Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will put it in a plate and I will tell.
Okay, great.
Okay, guys, Divyanshi, do you have a question?
Ma'am, you were saying something we had to put above the cookie. What was it?
Somebody was asking about Hershey's.
No, ma'am, you said that we had to put the cornflakes above the cookies.
Yeah, you can put the so make your cookies, make the round balls and then press them into the cornflakes a little bit and then put them on your tray.
Ma'am, we have
Okay.
to crush the cornflakes and then put it, right?
Yeah, press it lightly on the cornflakes and then put it on the tray. So you'll get cornflakes on top. So it will be a
The one
nice
which
crunch.
I use, the crushed cornflakes which I use for my batter.
Yeah, what we left. And if they get over in between, you can take some more. It won't make a difference.
Okay, yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Devanshi, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask how do we check if our muffins are done?
Muffins you can poke with some. Yeah, cookies. Wow, yours look very nice and done. They're browned.
No, ma'am, these are raw.
These are raw. Okay. So see what I'm doing. Can you spotlight my video, Simran?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yeah. So I've just taken the tray out. I'll show it. I'll get it out only and show. Just a second. So I've got the tray out. Okay. And I'm pushing it with a knife. See, the bottom has become brown, lightly brown. And my cookies are moving easily. They're not getting stuck on the tray. But they're still soft to touch. That means they're done because when they cool down, they'll become crisper. Okay. So what we do for now is we'll just remove them all and I'll just get a plate. You can use a plate. I'm just getting a wire wrap. So we'll let them cool down on that. They become crisper as they cool down. Just give me.
Ma'am, the cookie is brown from
Yeah, it should become brown from the bottom and it should not still stick to the tray. Then they are done. See, You know, when I'm lightly using a knife, or you can use anything, I'm just moving them. They're easily moving. Like this, they're easily moving. They're not getting stuck anymore. They're browned lightly from the bottom and they're slightly brown from the sides. They're done. So what I'm doing is I'm just shifting them. See, can you see the bottom? The bottom is brown. Some are still getting stuck, so maybe I can bake this for a little longer. Another 2-3 minutes of baking is required because some are still getting stuck. Just take all of these a little bit more. So you have to just try them. As long as everything is moving, you can. I'll just bake them for 3-4 minutes more.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if we have missed the some parts of muffins, so can we get a video or something?
Simran, can you answer that?
Yes, kid. So in case you were late to the session or you have missed any part from the session, you will find the recording on Facebook after the session. So you can take reference from that. It will be posted on FB page.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what is this important? What is this class for, ma'am? I'm new
What?
to this class.
YouTube?
New to this class, teacher.
I didn't understand your question. Your voice is not clear.
Questionally, your voice is breaking. So if you can type the question, it would be good. Yes, Angad, I have unmuted you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here is my cake.
Show. Wow. Very nice.
Ma'am, it got
Got
burnt a
little
little,
burnt.
but it is very good and it is hard.
Because it
Yes,
got
ma'am,
it
from
got over baked, that's why it's hard. So you next time you bake it for less time. Okay.
No, ma'am, it is okay. It is semi-hard.
It's semi-hard.
It is not very hard.
Okay. But next time
Yes,
still
ma'am.
bake it little less time because it's become too dark on the top. So bake it for a little less time. Okay. 3 minutes less.
Okay, ma'am.
And guys, I can see you are done with your muffins and cookies. So before tasting them and eating them all, if you can post a picture of you on our FB page, group, and Instagram also, any platform you like, it would be great to see you all. And yes, only 2 questions left. So yes, Vanshika, you can ask your question.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, will we find the recording in the Instagram page or in the Facebook page?
The Facebook page.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Hannah, you can ask your question.
Ma'am, can I see your muffins again?
Okay, I'll show them.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please see my cupcakes?
Wow, so nice. You bake them in the silicone mold?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, if we want to make chocolate
I
cookies,
forgot to add vanilla essence.
It's okay. It's okay. Next time, don't forget.
Ma'am, so will the taste be bad? Mine is
No,
still
it won't
cooking.
taste bad. Don't worry. It won't taste bad.
And
It will
ma'am,
taste
my
nice.
cookie I had made in the cake bowl, but right now I'm not able to understand if it's cooked or not, because at the top it is white, and when I poke my knife, nothing is coming out. But at the top it's fully white.
So let it bake a little bit more if it's fully white. Let it brown a little bit.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am, if we want to make chocolate cookies, so what we have to?
If you want to make chocolate cake cookies from the same batter, just add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And if it becomes too dry, you can add a few drops of milk more.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Vivek?
Ma'am, can we use, ma'am, instead of maida, can we use atta in the cookies?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, these are my cookies.
Very nice. Very nice they're looking.
Excuse me, ma'am. The cornflakes we should put on the top, or we should put in the batter, or on both?
The cornflakes, some of it you put in the batter, some put on the top.
So, ma'am, on the top, like we can put many little, like, how much can we
Mix.
put?
See, from the total cornflakes, 3/4 cup, no, about half cup put in the batter and about 1/4 cup crush it and then put it on the top. Okay.
So, ma'am,
See, little on the top, crushed.
ma'am, so we should press it, right?
Yeah, you press it.
Okay.
Take the cornflakes in a plate and press your cookie ball into it, the dough ball. Okay.
So, ma'am, we should press the cookie ball into it, or we should put the cornflakes into the cookie ball?
No, press the cookie ball into the cornflakes.
Okay.
It will become neater.
So, ma'am, I made the shape and now I have the cornflakes, so I can just take the shape and put it in the cornflakes.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, guys, we will just close in the questions now. In case you have any questions, you can Jashina, I will just take your question at last. Go ahead.
No, ma'am, I don't have any question. Ma'am, please see my cookies.
Wait, so
Ma'am, see.
nice. But I think they're little overdone, so next time bake them for little less time.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
Okay, guys, if you now wish to showcase your work, ma'am would love to see that. We would love to see that. So kindly post it on Facebook group, Facebook page, or Instagram, anything that suits you. And you can also ask your questions if there are any along with your post. I will surely forward it to ma'am. So yes, Sunita ma'am, last words from you.
Yeah, okay. My video shut. How did this happen? Yeah. Yeah, anybody's got a question?
Yes, ma'am. Devyanshi is the last one.
Ma'am, ma'am, the cookie dough should be thick or thin, like when we are plating it, and when we're making the balls.
It has to be a little thick. If it's too thin, you won't be able to make the shapes.
Yes, Sunita ma'am, we are done with all the questions. Okay. So Sunita ma'am, any words of advice from you? Any last words you would like to tell to the kids?
What I'd like to tell is keep trying. Even if you don't get it perfectly the first time, you can, make it again and again. Some of you have done a wonderful job. I can see, some people have overbaked. Doesn't matter. Next time you will know what is wrong. So you can always make it, and it's going to still taste good. So don't worry. Keep baking.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And kids, we would love to see your work. So kindly post it on any platform which you like. It can be Podium page or Instagram or group, anywhere you feel like. And we would love to showcase the best work. So kindly do that. And thank you so much, Sunita ma'am, for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you, Simran, for having me.
Ma'am. And guys, I'm unmuting you so that we can say thank you to ma'am and bid her goodbye.
Welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, muffin.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Was a great recipe. Bye,
You-
ma'am. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you.
See you again, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye.
I want to say something.
Yes, say. Who was-
Hope to see you again, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had put Bonvita.
Wow. That's a good idea.
That's why, ma'am, that's why it got a little brown.
Oh, that's a very good idea to put Bonvita.
Yes, ma'am.
Gee, I want to talk to you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I got the muffin.
विकास सर गए क्या?
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, our muffin batter is really thin. What can we do for it?
If it's really thin, you must have not used the condensed milk. Did you use the milk and sugar?
Yeah, we'll use the milk and sugar.
So, did you use half cup of milk and half a cup of sugar, right?
Yes, exactly.
So, you could increase your flour by a little bit, maybe a 1/4 cup. But if it's thin also, it's fine. It's not going to harm it.
But it's not like we are getting a powdery flavor in our mouth if we are eating it.
That means it's not baked. If you're getting a powdery flavor, that means it's not baked.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
But the condensed milk is actually part of the recipe. This was just, I gave a substitute so that the kids could at least not feel left out today. But it's always better if you use the condensed milk.
Ma'am, our cookies are still soft.
Okay, guys.
Then they
would
need
love
a
to
little
see
bit
your
more
reaction.
baking. They need a
And,
little bit more baking.
Hope to see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much, Sunita ma'am. Again, and thank you
You're
so much,
welcome.
kids.
Thank you, Simran, for handling this well.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Hope to see you again. Keep baking.